to Drew.
Welcome, attendees. It's so good to see everyone. Thank you all for coming today. This is Who Tasked It, a task management web application with a strange secret. Grocery lists, task lists, whatever your tasking needs, you can make surefire progress while tracking your to-dos with this web app. While you work, a very busy detective loiters nearby. Sadly, they forgot their own notebook, so they'll be using the other page in yours. As you make lists and complete tasks, the detective writes imaginative sentences on the other page, leaving you to wonder what it all means. That is, until they write the murder mystery in your notebook. As we all know, time and crime wait for no one but you, that is. You can switch lists, refresh the page, or leave the web app altogether and come back later for your unfinished to-dos. If we forget our history, will we repeat it? Well, our users won't. Solved mysteries are available to read in your notebook, even if you finish with the to-do list they came from. Have fun finishing your to-do lists and uncovering the truth as our back-end superhero David walks you through our features.
Thank you, Drew. So this page is our custom login and our landing page. It allows users to log in with the username and password of their choosing, so their precious journal stays locked up tight when not in use. When logged in, all present task lists and solved mysteries are shown to the user. The flipbook component is an original design coded with React JavaScript built to allow the user to flip seamlessly between task and pages. From the Save To-Do List page, our users can choose to access old to-do lists that still need some work, or they can create entirely new lists for any upcoming needs. You can go do something else in the same tab or close out completely, and then come right back to the web app to keep up your momentum. Your list will stick around. On the page for solved mysteries, users can experience their past mysteries all over again using our backlog. Every mystery is a new journey, so why not revisit them? On the to-do list page, a user can create and check off their to-do list as they complete them. When a user clicks the check mark, the web app will mark it complete and delete it from their list. As you progress through your list, the detective will progress through his mystery and he will write the mystery on your screen. The clues and stories are part of a carefully assembled system that generates a different mystery every time, so there's always something new to see. Users can also listen to an ambient jazz tune to heighten the mood. And that concludes the features of our app. My name is David Robinette, and I worked on the back end. I created the database and the API. With that, I'll hand it off to our front-end specialist, Haley Hunter.
Hey everyone, my name's Haley. I was responsible for the user interface elements of Who Tasked It. I also built out the flipbook component and its pages using JavaScript and implemented them using React. I worked on the design and styling of the application. And here's Ashton to tell you about his contributions. Ashton?
Hello, I'm Ashton. I worked on the front-end development side of this project, bringing this web app to life. I also built the login interface you saw earlier and added a touch of mystery with a custom cursor. Now, I'll hand it back to Drew to finish.
Thank you greatly to David, Haley, and Ashton. It has been a wonder to work together. I've been your presenter, Drew. I worked on the UI UX design for this project and designed the writing system that allows our clues and stories to be different each time. I want to say how honored we are that everyone is here today. We had a great time building this app and putting our best foot forward, and it's our greatest pleasure that we can show it off. Thank you all for attending, and this has been Who Tasked It, the murder mystery task management web app. Now we'll open up the floor for any questions.
Great job, y'all. Next up, we have Good Eats.